Happy holidays to you, my whimsical family. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am Danielle sitting in another week for my mom. I want to extend to you from my family a happy holidays and a happy New Year's when it comes. So come along with me as we embark on this Jamaican cooking experience where my mom will be showing you how to do brown stew goat.
Alright, family and friends, welcome to my kitchen. Now, people, I have my goat in my frying pan. It's already washed, clean, and seasoned, people, and I'm just frying this down. So I put it in the pot and allow it to come to a fry. I know for many of you, goat meat is a part of your regular diet. So this is just another authentic way to cook goat Jamaican style. So a lot of you prefer your curry goat, but people, for those of us who cannot tolerate curry for one reason or another, this is another way to cook down your goat. So guys, I've added about a quarter cup of water just to get all the flavors that I've fried into my goat. You see, people, when you do them kind of something, this flavor your goat very well. So while this is happening, Daniel will share with you the food for thought.
The food for thought today comes from Jeremiah 29, verse 11.
It says, "For I know the thought that I think towards you, saith the Lord, thoughts of peace and not evil, to give you an expected end."
I want you to be reminded that the Lord has plans that are bigger and greater than even you and I could ever think or imagine.
All right, whimsical family, let's get back to the pot.
All right, let's see what my mom got here in the kitchen.
All right, guys, so next we're going to just cover this and allow the season to steep into the goat meat, guys, and then we move on to the next stage.
Are you celebrating a birthday, anniversary, or special event? We want to extend a warm happy birthday and congrats to you from the Wims family. Don't forget to add us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at Wims Kitchen. A special shout out to everyone celebrating their birthday during this festive season, such as my cousin, Stacy, and a special shout out as well to my mom and my dad celebrating their anniversary today. May God's blessing continue to shine on them.
All right, family and friends, so it's time now to put this all in the pressure pot. So I've added to that about a quarter cup of blended seasoning. I've added also about 2 tablespoons of browning. I'm just stirring this so that the entire goat meat can be browned. I'm adding some bell pepper, add some sprig of thyme, about 1.5 onions. I've chopped them. I've added to that some pimento seeds, and of course I've added about an inch of ginger. People, I'm gonna add to that about a cup, 2 cups of water thereabout. I am preparing about 3 pounds of goat meat, and people, the thumb of rule is that you have to add enough water just to cover your meat. You know, people, if you want to get fancy and use meat stock, is up to you. We're just gonna cover this to pressure for 20 minutes.
A big shout out to you, my whimsical family. And if you've been here watching videos weekly and haven't subscribed yet, what's taking you so long? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications to get our videos weekly.
All right, guys, so after 20 minutes, this thing, y'all, look good. It smells good. If only you could smell all this goodness in the kitchen. I'm simply going to pour it into a saucepan because it's time for nice up the pot. Now, see the people? This is mouth-watering goodness at its best. So guys, I'm gonna add some fresh onions and tomatoes and stuff to this to go and nice up the thing. Now guys, while I'm doing this, Daniel will give you some reminders.
Don't forget to add us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at Wims Kitchen.
Now people, me I go beg on no do. Drop some likes on the video. Give me some likes, leave your comment in the comment section, people. And of course, at the end of this video, remember to share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, remember Daniel asks you where you wait pan. So guys, I've added all the carrots and tomatoes and some fresh onions in this, some chopped potatoes in this, some scallion people. Boy, I add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper to taste. Don't flavor up the thing, people, and see there. It's almost ready. I will allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes, people, and then it ready. So there it is, family and friends. It's another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, and thanks with the help of Daniel with me in the kitchen. It's the best, most delicious, awesomely inviting goat meat cooked down for you Jamaican style. Now guys, remember, subscribe to my channel, give me some thumbs up, and invite your friends to subscribe too.
Thank you for coming along with us on our cooking experience where we did cooking Jamaican style. Thanks for watching our video, and we hope to see you next week as we do another authentic Jamaican meal.